Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? Today we have a special unboxing video. This time we have a smartwatch. This is smartwatch, is a sport watch, and it's the Huawei Watch GT2. Now, you might ask the question, why did I get the smaller one rather than the big one? Number one, as a person who goes to the gym, who goes to train, pick up things and put up things, I actually want something very small, very light, and very practical. Now, this watch has a 1 week battery life, all right? And as you know, I have also the Vivo Active 3. The Vivo Active 3 have the same, almost the same battery life. Now, this is gonna be interesting to compare the Huawei Watch GT2 with the Vivo Active 3, and this is gonna come later on. But for now, let's unbox this beautiful thing over here. Let me just take out the box a little bit. There we go. Bam. Look at this. Huawei and their nice luxury boxing. Now, that's like, this material is really nice. They painted like in gold. That's beautiful. And you open it just like that. And then you open just like that. And then you have your other stuff over here. Now, let's first off, you know what? Let's take out the other stuff. So what is this? This is the charging station over here. So you put your watch over here, and then you plug your Type-C cable over here, and you charge it. So that's a good thing. There is no embodied Type-C because the watch does not have space for the Type-C watch. So they give you this charging cable. So do not, if you have this, do not lose it. Be careful. And you have a Type-C cable included right here. So that's it. We don't have a wall charger. Paperworks. That's some paperworks, and yeah, just paperworks over here. Now let's take out the watch. And how can we take it out? Just like that. Oh yeah. That's it. Nothing else here, guys. Nothing else. All you get is a Type-C cable and the charging deck. So you have to actually get yourself a wall charger, or maybe just deal with it. You have many chargers later at your home. So this is the watch, guys. It's very nice looking, very symmetric, nice, as you can see. And I really appreciate the design and the luxury of what Huawei does here. So look at this small watch. Now this is an OLED, and it has a chipset of Kirin. I think it's Kirin. It's in-house Huawei chipset that is actually capable for you to have it for 1 week in a row. So you can use this for 1 week without charging it. So I really like this design. Now, as you can see here on the back, there's many sensors over here. One of them, of course, the active heart rate sensor, the one that measures your sleep rate, your depth of your sleep, and the counting of your steps and everything. So I'm not going to operate it right now. Let's see if it actually have any battery. I think, how can you open it? You hold this right here, I think. Maybe the other one. Yep, there you go. And let's just reduce the gamma over here. And that's what you get, guys. This is the starting screen. So what happened? Yeah, so you choose your language: English, Dutch, Chinese, Espanol, French, Indonesian, Italiano, Malayo, Netherlands, Polski, Portuguese, all the languages, guys. Turkish, Russian, Arabic. Yeah, Arabic, كويس. So you have all languages anyways. This is really great. I love this, and it's actually very smooth. The screen is not 60, it's 30 frames per second. That's what I see here, but still it's an AMOLED screen. It's very low power consumption. It says here, pair download Huawei Health on your phone, then add this device to Huawei Watch GT. So you have to download it from the App Store, the Huawei Health, and then you can link this to your phone, and then everything is gonna be really nice. Anyways, guys, this is just a quick unboxing for the Huawei Watch GT2. Please like, subscribe, and share videos. I'm trying to get to the 50,000 subscribers. This is my next goal, so I can go to the MWC next year. I can't go to this MWC 2020 because I don't have enough subscribers, guys. I need to hit the 50,000 subs. Please help us get there, guys, and I appreciate every one of you. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.